Chapter 1. As Tommy sat at the lunch table, he doesn't know if he's excited or scared.
"But you haven't seen your mom since you were 9,
exclaimed Ashlyn Hebos, Tommy's best friend. "I know," said Tommy, "but it's not like I've been avoiding her for 8 years. It'll be good to see her, right?" Tommy asked with hesitation in his voice. "Only you know that," she said as she got up from their lunch table to go to Spanish class. When Tommy was a kid, something was definitely wrong with his family. He didn't remember much at all. He doesn't remember his father much. Apparently, he either died or ran away from his family. He remembers having a sister, but he doesn't have any memories of her and him interacting. Was he older or younger than she was? Was she a brainiac like him? Or like the stupid girls across the lunchroom? He didn't care. He was happy with his foster parents and his high school in Oklahoma. "Zoning out again?" asked Tommy's other friend, Ross. "What? Oh, yeah," Tommy answered. "Think about your mom coming?" Ross asked. "Yeah, how do I barely remember her? You remember stuff from when you were 9, right?" asked Tommy. "Some. Vacations and sports and stuff. Nothing worth remembering, really," Ross said. "I don't remember anything. Something must have happened. Maybe my dad died in a car accident with me in the car, and I got long-term memory loss," suggested Tommy. "I guess it's possible. That's the most likely thing you've come up with all week," commented Ross. "I gotta ask when I see my mom. I have to find out what happened. I'm 17. I think I can handle whatever happened to me when I was 9, said Tommy. Don't be too sure about that, bro. You never know." "Come on, it doesn't affect my life right now." "Why should it matter?" asked Tommy. But in his head, he was worried to death about what it would be. "Hey, Diane, I'm home." Diane was Tommy's adopted mother. He only had to stay in an orphanage for 2 weeks before she and her husband, Rick, took him in. They were great to him and treated him just like their kids. He was happy to call them family. "Hi, honey. I made your favorite, grilled chicken and Caesar salad," she yelled from the kitchen. Tommy made his way into the kitchen to find his favorite dish of hers on the table. She had a mug of coffee in her hand. Diane is obsessed with coffee and drinks it at all hours of the day. "Hun, you need to drive down to the coffee shop around 7:30 to meet your mother," she told him. "Okay, I don't know when I'll be back, though. Don't freak out if I'm late." "I want you to be ready, Tom," she said as she held his hand. "Ready? Emotionally? I think I got that down," he reassured her. "Well, I don't know, sweetie. This is pretty big. I wouldn't be surprised if it hit you hard," she told him. "Di, whatever it is doesn't matter anymore. I'm okay right now. I'm happy. Something from 9 years ago isn't going to affect me that bad," he said. "Well, I'm glad you're focused on moving forward. Just expect the unexpected," she said. What could it be she's making such a big deal about? Could it really hit him that hard? He knew time would barely move until the clock hands hit 7:30.